Hello everyone. One of the questions that we often get asked is why should I use WordPress? Isn't my site good enough? Why do I need to switch to WordPress from another platform? If you are asking these questions, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will share the most important reason why you should use WordPress. We will also cover all the different type of website you can create with WordPress as well as showcase popular sites that are using WordPress. One of the most common misconceptions about WordPress is that it is just a blogging platform. But WordPress is so much more. While WordPress started as a blogging tool, it has evolved into a powerful website builder and a robust content management system. The best part about WordPress is that it is easy to use and flexible enough to make different type of websites. That is the main reason why WordPress has grown so much in popularity. In fact, according to the recent research, WordPress powers 43% of all websites on the internet. Due to its robust features, many of the top brands use WordPress to power their websites, including Time Magazine, the New York Times, Sony, Disney, Facebook, and more. Let's take a look at why you should use WordPress to make your website. First one, WordPress is free. WordPress is a free software. It means you are free to download, install, use and modify it to match your needs. You can use it to create any kind of website. While the WordPress software itself is free, you do need a domain name and web hosting to install it. A domain name is the address of your website on the internet. This is what your users type in their browser to visit your website. For example, google.com. Web hosting is like your website's house, where all your website files are stored. Second, WordPress is easy to use. WordPress is quite easy to use for beginners. It comes with a simple dashboard with different menu options listed in the sidebar. You can easily create posters and page, customize your website design, add navigation menus, and more. WordPress make it easy for absolute beginners to maintain their own website without any technical hiccups. First, there are updates. WordPress frequently releases core WordPress update that you can install with the click of a button. The same goes for WordPress plugins and themes, which release their own updates. For backup, there are excellent WordPress backup plugins. Many of them are free. They allow you to set up automatic backups and store them in a remote locations like Google Drive or Dropbox. Finally, there is security. With some basic WordPress security best practices, you can make your website even more secure. As a beginner, you may find it a bit overwhelming at first. Third, WordPress is completely customizable. Most persons using WordPress are neither programmers or web designers. As a matter of fact, most people start using WordPress without any prior knowledge of designing websites. For those who aren't familiar with technology, WordPress is the perfect solution because there are thousands of free website templates that you can choose from. WordPress themes are easy to customize because a lot of them come with their own option panel, allowing you to change colors, upload your logo, change the background, and create beautiful sliders. And truly customize it to your needs without writing any code at all. To further customize your design, you can use a drag and drop builder like Seedpole to create beautiful landing pages, sales pages, product landing pages, and much more. You can also add custom functionality to your WordPress site by using plugins. WordPress can be used in many different ways. Plugins are like app for your business. You can use to add advanced features like analytics, contact forms, membership area, and more. Aside from adding extra functionality, some WordPress plugin can let you transform your website into a completely new platform. Having to pick from thousands of plugins can be overwhelming, but there are some essential WordPress plugins that we recommend for every website. A contact form plugin so your visitors can reach out to you. An analytics plugin so you can see how many visitors you are getting. A search engine optimization plugin so you can get more traffic from Google. Then you will need to choose more plugins depending on the type of website you are creating. 4. WordPress is SEO friendly. The best website in the world won't be success if it doesn't get any traffic or visitors. Luckily, WordPress is built with search engine traffic in mind. WordPress is written using high quality code with semantic markup. This is why WordPress sites tend to rank higher than others in search engines. To optimize your site to get even more traffic, I recommend using a WordPress SEO plugin. 5th, WordPress is safe and secure. WordPress is developed with security in mind. And it is a very safe and secure platform to run a website. What kind of website can you create with WordPress? WordPress can be used in many different ways, from simple websites to e-commerce marketplace and anything in between. The following are just a few examples of different kind of website you can make with WordPress. Start a blog, make a business website, start an online store, build a membership website, sell online courses, sell digital downloads. I hope this video answered your questions about why you should use WordPress. The best way to truly experience the power of WordPress is by using it. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you need any help or assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.